Hi guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Tea Box Express. Tea Box Express is a monthly tea party in a box. Each package has 4 to 6 tea gifts, including one loose leaf tea. I did already review this on my blog. I know what's in here. I've taken pictures. I just put it all back in, and because I'm trying to get some things done before we go on a little vacation. This is $25.50 a month. There is a shipping. It's a great gift for yourself or for somebody that you know that really likes tea, because it is always really nice. And there is, in the 4 to 6 gift, there's always one loose leaf tea, at least. So this package, actually, they did something a little different, which I thought was really cool. They made a theme, like, this is the iced tea package, okay? So I love that idea. So I'm going to take everything out and start with the tea, so we can kind of get a feel for how the box is. Since I already know what's in here, there's no surprise at all. So our insert, and then share your pictures and you can win a free box. I'm sorry, I just made a makeup video and I'm getting it all over, like makeup, like eyeshadow. I thought I wiped it all off, but I guess I didn't. All right, so our first tea, and there's like a really good amount of tea in here, is this peach iced tea from Adagio Teas. I love them. I love their little bags. Now these I think will be bigger because these make 6 quarts. So there's 6 bags in here, and each one makes a quart of tea. This is peach. The tea is like harvested in Sri Lanka, and just, it's really fantastic. I haven't tried it, but I have tried other teas of theirs before, and I do love them. And so there's that. And then we have this from Story of My Tea, who I love. They included 3 of their cold brew teas. There's Sunrise Sunrise, Strawberry Sencha, and then You're My Berry Pie. So all together, you're getting a whole bunch of like fruit flavors, really bright, great for summer. And all of these have on the back steeping instructions and also ingredients, just so you can see for yourself. I think they're all made with, no, I don't think so actually. I think this one is herbal, this one is herbal, and then this one isn't. So you're getting a lot of black tea, another, the Sencha tea, which I think is white tea, and then the 2 herbal teas. So you do have a good variation there as well. To add to your awesome iced tea, these Heaven Iced Day. These are Fred, from a company called Fred, who I had never heard of, but I looked on their site. I was like, this is adorable. So this is $10 right here. I love these little ice cube trays. So I think that's so cute. A great addition, especially if you have kids and you're making an herbal tea for them, and it's just a nice little, makes it special, right? Just makes it so special. Then we have this little tiny packet of Thumbs cookies, and this is a lime sea salt flavor. I have had Thumbs cookies before, so these are, you guessed it, thumbprint cookies. They're gourmet. The lady that makes them started in Brooklyn, but it was like her mother's recipe. It's like a family thing, and they make really interesting flavors that are delicious. All right, final item, guys. These are Hammond's Candies Orange Stirs. So these are like a little straw. You can put it in your tea, sip your tea, and then eat these orange flavored candies. Hammond's makes all natural dye-free candies. So if you have allergies to dyes, you want to try a candy that's not so full of, you know, it is all sugar though. I mean, let's be realistic, but something that's a little better. This is a great alternative. I think these are like $6.95 a pack. I think the whole retail value, since I know it because I did my blog, was like $28 or $29. So that's a pretty good deal, considering you're getting a whole assortment of tea. Like, you don't have to go out and procure it yourself. It's all really high quality, and it's just nice. So if you're interested in my full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to Tea Box Express with my affiliate links, so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!